Hello children, I am Manasa from Mangala Vidya Mandira. So today's subject is mathematics. In mathematics, we will learn number writing. We'll learn number writing now. So we are going to write number 3 now. I'll show you how to write number 3. See children, for writing 3, first we have to start from the middle. From middle we have to write a curve, small curve and another curve ending from the first curve. See children, this is 3. I'll show you again. See, a small curve in the middle and from the end of the first curve we have to draw another curve touching the line. See, this is 3. I'll show you again. See children, this is 3. Now I'll show you how to write 4. See children, for writing 4, we have to start from the middle of the box. You have to draw a standing line, small standing line, and then we have to draw a sleeping line ending from the standing line. See children, like this. And then we have to draw a small standing line on the sleeping line like this. See children, this is 4. I'll show you again. A standing line and then sleeping line and then again standing line. 4. Again I'll show you. Standing line, sleeping line and again standing line. This is 4. Okay children, practice writing this. Now we'll go to the next topic. It is quantity and comparison. In previous class we have learnt more and less, no children. So in this class we'll be learning more than and most. See children, for that I have chosen some objects. See here, what can you see here children? Bucket, seashell and then stars. So shall we count how many buckets we have here? Yes, 1 and 2. Now we'll count how many shells we have. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 shells. Now we'll see how many starfish we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 starfish. Okay children, now if we consider this bucket has more. See, if this is more, then this, see the shells here, it is more than the buckets. So this is called as more than. Now what about the starfish? The starfish is still more than the shells. Yes, no children? See, there are only 3 shells, but we have 5 starfish. So it is called as most. Okay children? Now see children, the buckets is more and the shells are more than, but starfish is most. Okay children? Now I'll show you another example. See children, here we have how many jars? 3 jars. See, the first jar has how many marbles in it? 2 marbles. But see the second jar children, there are more marbles in the second jar. Yes, no children? So if the first jar is more, the second jar is called more than. Yes, no children? Because second jar is more than the first jar. Yes, no children? Second jar consists the marbles more than the first jar. So it is called as more than. But what about the third jar children? Third jar has still more marbles than the second jar. So the third jar is called as most. Okay children? So first is more. So first jar, see this jar is more and the second jar is more than. But the third jar is most. Okay children? Now children, tell me, in these 3 vases, which has most flowers? Yes. See children, this green jar has most flowers. And see, this first was is there, no? So this is more than. Okay, children? Now we'll learn less than and least. See children, what it is? Yes, it is orange. We have orange here. See children, so if we consider the first orange as less, then what about the second one? See, in second one it is still more less than the first one. No, see, in first one we have one orange and half orange, but in the second one there is only one orange, so this is less than. Okay children, so first one is less, but the second one is less than the first one, so it is called as less than. But see children, what about the third? There is only half, so what it is called? It is called as least. Okay children, see, first one is we have 1.5 orange, so it is less. But what about the second one? See, in second one there is only one, which is less than the first one, so it is called as less than. But what is the third one here? We have less than the second one it is, so it is called as least. Shall we see the another example children? Yes, see children, there are 3 columns and in 3 columns we have different colors of bars. So in the first column we have green color bars. Shall we count how many bars we have? How many green color? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 green color. And second column, how many blue color bars we have? 1, 2 and 3. So it is less than the green bars. The blue bars is less than the green. So it is called as less than. But what about the third column here children? How many bars we have in the third column? 1 and 2. There is only 2. So it is still more less than the second column. So this is called as least. Okay children. So see here, first column is less and the second column is less than, but the third one is least. Okay children, did you understand the concept? Yes. Now tell me children, which glass has least water? Yes, the middle one has least water and the first one is less than. So first one is less than and the middle one is least. Okay children, practice this at home. Take the video and send it to us. Thank you.